Kansas City's mayor calls it a fight for local control. Critics label it defunding the police. Now a lawsuit filed by the state seeks to block the city's plan to change police funding. It's a complicated and important issue, and tonight we have team coverage of the lawsuit and what it could mean, beginning with our investigative reporter, Angie Racono. Angie?
Hi, Carolyn. A lot of this deals with state law. One point is that the police budget was passed and finalized, and then this new plan came into place. The lawsuit points out on April 27th, the city council and the mayor approved the budget. So that is what the Board of Commissioners is going to operate under because that happened first. They point out the new plan happened less than a month later on May 20th. They do not consider this new plan legal, and they want a judge to uphold the first plan. The filing claims the police will have to make cuts because of how the funding went down and the mechanics of the budget. The police department will have to start cutting officers. Here's a direct quote. The department is compelled by both ordinances to make immediate and severe changes to staffing, deployment, purchasing, payroll, and other operations of the department. So we want to show you this map. These are patrol zones. The lawsuit claims the big cuts will be Central, South, and East Patrol. Now, prior to this, we've heard a lot of concerns about the Northland with response times. The mayor, city, and all government leaders who worked on this plan are named in this lawsuit. And it is interesting to note that the lawyer who filed this lawsuit is a former member of the Police Board of Commissioners. Carolyn?
All right, that is interesting. Angie, thank you for that. And reaction to this lawsuit was swift. Abby Dodge has been speaking with leaders for and against these budget changes. She joins us live now outside the police headquarters. Abby, what is next in this move to shift the budget?
Well, Carolyn, a few different things can happen in or outside of a courtroom. The city council's decision to make changes to the police budget has caused a pretty big divide here in Kansas City. And we've talked to a lot of people on both sides, and really it's hard to find some sort of middle ground when you ask people about this issue. The Board of Police Commissioners voted this morning to sue Mayor Lucas and the city in a 4-1 vote. He says people who oppose the new budget ordinances want to keep the deadly status quo. Mayor Lucas didn't get a close look at the lawsuit before speaking with us this afternoon, but says he believes the city is justified in its actions.
I think that we will win. I think we will be able to raise important points about public safety fundamentally in this community. I think it will take a while, but I look forward to us being able to have that type of position and that type of discussion long term.
In a statement by the president of the board this afternoon, he asked the mayor and the city council to withdraw the new ordinances. He says, in part, while I understand the frustration of the mayor, city council, and some citizens of Kansas City, Missouri, I also understand that we must abide by the laws enacted by our Missouri legislature. Based on the passion Mayor Lucas had on the issue this morning and his belief that he and the city have a strong case, it's unlikely that he will follow that commissioner's recommendations to withdraw those ordinances. Now, the hearing in this lawsuit is set for Tuesday at 1:30. We are going to continue to update you on this lawsuit. Live in Kansas City, Abby Dodge, KC, TV5 News.